So wanted to do this for a while. I always do cold showers and been doing cold showers for a long time, and I'm not a big fan of super hot heat. Was never a major fan of hot tubs when they're super boiling hot. It burns your skin. I don't like that. I know the health benefits behind the cold plunge. Even when I go to the spa over in Collingwood, I stay in the Arctic pools where there's freezing. You get used to it, and I've been used to it so much for surfing on the Great Lakes in the wintertime and staying out all winter and the diving we do. And I was down south the last couple months at the house in Nicaragua. My buddy Ryan Thompson at Sketchy Rye, I'll put his link up here for his Instagram. He got a tub for Christmas, and he doesn't live that far away from me on Lake Huron here, and he's been doing this as well. So it's kind of a nice motivation to see your friends doing this kind of stuff and looking after their body and their health and everything. So make sure I got my bucket, and now I can get ready to rock and roll, and we can do this monthly challenge and see how long we can go here. So we're gonna start it off today. I'm gonna put the camera on the tripod. Gonna get changed into my shorts, and we're gonna rock and roll. We'll see you out there. Brr.